How to disable autofill password on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video I will show you how you can disable autofill password on Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device. Once you have opened it up, navigate to top right corner, click on three dot icon. Here, head towards the settings, click on it. Once you're under settings, navigate to your menu bar on your sidebar. There, click on Autofill and Passwords. Here you have two options: your Google Password Manager, payment method and addresses and more. So for your password, click on the first option, Google Password Manager. Once you click on this interface, under this interface you will find all of the sites where your passwords has been saved. So in order to disable autofill password, the only option that you can do is to select the site that you want to disable the autofill from. Select the specific site, there click on delete. Once you delete that, the autofill password will no longer work on that specific site. So from your saved sites where all your passwords are saved, select the site and there click on delete. So that's the only way to disable autofill password in Google Chrome. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.